Hello everyone, welcome to the Authentic Cooking Show episode 4. This episode is all about the 2 easiest and my personal favorite cocktails that you can make at home. So let's get started. The first cocktail is Watermelon Margarita. Add about 60 ml of tequila in a container, then add about 15 ml of lemon juice, then add about 50 ml of watermelon juice, then put just 2 mint leaves. Make sure you mix it really well. Now this part is for the presentation. Take your serving glass, dip it in the lemon juice, then dip it in the sugar. Now let's move on to the second cocktail, which is a Whisky Sour. Now the most crucial element of this cocktail is a bourbon whiskey. Now you need to make sure that you use a good bourbon whiskey for this cocktail. Now add about 15 ml of egg whites into the container, then add about 15 ml of lemon juice, then about 15 ml of sugar syrup, then add about 60 ml of bourbon whiskey. So here's the technique. We're going to dry shake it, which means while mixing and shaking it, you don't have to add any ice. It's basically whipping and frothing it. After that, you pour it in a glass full of ice, and this is how your cocktail should look like. If you like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If there's any suggestion that you have for us, make sure you mention in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.